Dear viewers, have you ever heard of a fruit called green gold? Yes, we're talking about the avocado. Avocado farming can be a unique and highly profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained. Today in this video, we will explore step by step how you can start avocado farming and turn it into a long-term profitable agribusiness. Avocado is a superfood packed with healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins. Global demand has skyrocketed in recent years, making it one of the most valuable crops in the world. Once established, avocado trees continue to bear fruit for 40 to 50 years, giving farmers a steady source of income. That is why avocados are called the green gold of modern farming. Avocado grows best in tropical and subtropical regions. Although the tree can tolerate mild cold, prolonged or extreme cold can damage it. The ideal temperature range is 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. The soil should be well-drained sandy loam, rich in organic matter. Waterlogging during the rainy season can damage the roots, so drainage is very important. The soil pH should be between 5.5 and 7.5 for healthy growth. Avocado can be cultivated from seeds, cuttings, or grafting. However, grafting is the most reliable method to maintain yield and fruit quality. When planting, keep a spacing of 6 to 8 meters between trees, so each one gets enough light and air. Dig a hole about 60 centimeters deep and wide, then fill it with a mixture of rotted cow dung, bone meal, husk, and granular fertilizer. Leave it for 1 week, then plant the seedling and water lightly after planting. For the first 1 to 2 years, avocado trees need special care. Water them regularly, but avoid overwatering. Keep the area free of weeds, prune when necessary, and protect against diseases. During droughts, water once a week. Apply organic fertilizers 3 to 4 times a year and supplement with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash according to the growth stage of the tree. Avocado trees may be affected by pests like leaf miners, scale insects, thrips, mites, and diseases like root rot. To control these, spray natural solutions like neem oil. Use approved pesticides when necessary. Avocado trees usually start bearing fruit within 3 to 5 years, depending on the variety and care. It generally takes 5 to 7 months from flowering to ripening. A mature avocado tree can yield 200 to 300 fruits annually. On 1 acre, farmers can plant 80 to 100 trees. Avocados are sold at premium prices in both local and international markets. Apart from selling fresh fruits, farmers can also earn from avocado oil, pulp, and cosmetic products. If you want to build a sustainable and profitable agribusiness, avocado farming could be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Business Ideas English for more profitable farming ideas.